Akiaria kigomano-ini giki murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ngukumio Twari Mbarak ni arutete mukana kuri maafitha thirikari aria makoretwo makionania nyota na kugathika campaign cia gukahuranira iturwa cia kiuteti githurano-ini kinene kia mwaka ukite, akiorota uu ni mugaru na watho kuona mari wabici-ini cia utungata wa muingi.
Give a dress code for this.
Na kuona no mieri 13 mbere ya githurano kinene gitafanio guku bururi-ini, muingi ni uhinyiriirio giage na wuigiririku wa guthura atongoria aria mari na wuigiririku na mari na ikiro nginyaniru cia utongoria riria megucagurana.
Says that 6 months before the election date, public servants and state officers are supposed to officially resign. So on that issue, we will follow it up as EACC.
Ni atariirie uria atongoria aria matari na wuigiririku na mari na ucuke mekoraga iturwa-ini cia utongoria na gucoka kungumia kigina kia muingi.
Only bar somebody from contesting a public seat if all avenues, legal avenues, have been exploited. So when you have a person with a Form 4 fake certificate and the case is before court, and this case will take 10 years, that guy comfortably will become an MP with that Form 4 certificate. You cannot stop him. Are we getting that point? You cannot stop him. So in the next election, there will be people who will have Form 4 fake certificate, fake degree certificate. They will contest. The EACC, the IBC will have no ground of stopping them. But do you know who is the best person to stop those people? Is the citizen.
Mwena-ini wake mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Nurdin Haji ni akinyiriirie bata wa unyitaniri gatagati-ini ka honge ici hari kuhurana na ungumania, akiuria gukoragwo na maafitha a kuhurana na ngukumio wabici-ini ciothe cia thirikari.
Management of joint law enforcement operations, prosecutions in complex corruption and economic crimes to enhance effective and efficient investigation prosecutions is key. We must also purposely be able to identify, recruit, and retain professional investigators and prosecutors with specialized skills, especially when it comes to investigators.
Kigomano giki kirehete hamwe kamiti ya EACC, ruhonge rwa borithi, wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi na ruhonge rwa magoti. Haro-ini ha Kameme TV kuma gicũa-ini kaunti ya Mombatha, ritwa riakwa ni Ndegwa wa Gathungu.